Using the EBSCOhost eBook database. The EBSCOhost eBook database provides access to ebooks on topics in many different subjects. You can search all of the available collections at the same time through the NLU Library's link to the EBSCOhost eBook database. My research question is, what are effective ways to help adolescents with anxiety? Think of individual words or short phrases that you could use to find information related to this research question. Use the different search boxes to combine search words that are relevant to your topic rather than typing the entire research question into the search boxes. I'm going to put the word anxiety into the first search box, treatment in the second search box, and adolescence in the third search box. By combining different search words, your search will be more specific and the ebooks that come up in your search results will be more relevant to your research question. You can limit your search by searching in certain fields in the ebook record by using the All Fields drop-down menu. You can use the options in the Limit Your Results section to limit your search results before you begin searching. At this point, I'm not going to limit my search because these limits are all available from the search results page. Click the search button. The results of your search will appear below the search box. I retrieved 119 ebooks. The ebooks are listed by their titles with brief information about the source and subjects for the ebook. Use the All Dates option below the search box to limit your search results to ebooks published during a specific time period. I'm going to select past 5 years to see only more recently published ebooks related to my research topic. Use the All Filters option to access all of the potential limits for your search results. You can do a lot from the search results page in EBSCO. Click the Show More link to read the full description for the ebook. Below the subjects for the ebook, you will see either an Access Options menu or Access Now buttons. The Access Options menu will display if the ebook is available as both a PDF and an EPUB version. If both choices are available, select one of the options to open the ebook. Click the Tools menu to cite, share, or download the ebook. From the Download tool, you can select to save a chapter as a PDF or download the full ebook for 7 days. You will need to create a My EBSCO account if you would like to download the full ebook. You will also need to sign into your My EBSCO account if you want to use the Add to Project tool to save the source to a project you have created in the EBSCOhost databases. You can use the bookmark icon next to the Tools menu to add the ebook to your saved items. However, the item will be saved only temporarily unless you sign into your My EBSCO account. Click on the title to open the detailed information for the ebook. You can access all of the tool options, use the available options to access the ebook, and see the detailed information for the ebook from this page. Expand the information in the table of contents and click the chapter title to open a specific chapter in the ebook. Click the Results link to return to your search results page. I am going to open the PDF version of this ebook. Use the Table of Contents menu on the right side of the page to jump to a specific chapter in the ebook. Use the scroll bar on the right side of the ebook to read through the pages of a chapter. In the PDF version of an ebook, you can also click the navigation arrows at the bottom of the screen or enter a page number to jump to that page in the ebook. You can access the same tool options from the ebook reader page, but now the Share tool will provide a link to the page you are viewing in the ebook. This enables you to share a link to a specific chapter or page in the ebook. In addition to the regular tool options, you now have tools to search within the ebook for words or phrases and use text-to-speech to have the ebook read to you. You can use the Download tool to save a specific chapter from an ebook, but you can also click the Download arrow next to the chapter title from the table of contents on the right side of the page to save a chapter as a PDF. The many ebook collections provided by the NLU Library and the EBSCOhost ebook database can be a great resource to find ebooks that you can use for your research. Email the NLU Library at library@nl.edu with questions.